Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, right? Today's topic is self-respect. Many of us confuse this word self-respect with ego. Are ego and self-respect same? Well, I would say ego is a bit of negative part and self-respect is a bit of positive part. As far as ego is concerned, we'll talk about it later on. Let's focus on our today's topic, self-respect. In simple layman's terms, respecting our own self is a self-respect. Because until and unless we don't respect ourselves, no one will respect us. ये बात सही है. Only when we learn to respect ourselves, others will respect us. What happens is many people disrespect us. We all complain कि हमारा self-respect खोना पड़ता है. People are not respecting us. कोई मुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता. आई वुड लाइक टू फोकस ऑन दिस पॉइंट. कोई मुझे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता. व्हाट इज दिस कोई? यू नो व्हाई दिस हैपेंस? व्हाई यू आर डिसरिस्पेक्टेड एवरी नाउ एंड देन बाय all the people in the community or the society as per you are saying? Because you are being trying to good to everybody. You are being good to all in your life. So what does Kedar mean to say? You should not be good? No. I am just modifying the line. Be good to those people who are worth it. Be good to those people who really respect your identity, who respect your self-respect. They will never want you to lose your self-respect. For such people who are worth it, you can go one step ahead. Whenever you offend them accidentally, unintentionally, you can say sorry twice, thrice, 4 times. And that need will not come. Because that other person also respects you. आपके एक सॉरी में वो मान भी जाएगा. They are worth it. So be good to only those people who are worth it, not to everyone. So does that mean you have to be bad to others? It is not necessary ना. When you be good to someone, you are good. If you don't want to be good, that does not mean ना कि आपको bad बनना है. I am walking. Okay, I am walking through a forest. I see a hungry cow. I feed her. I give something to it. I am being good to her. थोड़ा आगे जाता हूँ. आई सी अ डियर, हंग्री डियर. आई फीड इट. गुड ना. थोड़ा और आगे जाता हूँ. आई फाइंड ए टाइगर. शुड आई फीड टू? शुड आई फीड इट? नहीं ना. नहीं तो मुझे खा जाएगा. व्हाट डू आई डू? आई लीव द टाइगर. आई चेंज माई वे. थोड़ा और आगे जाके आई फाइंड अ लेपर्ड. शुड आई फीड इट? इट्स हंग्री. मुझे ही खा जाएगा वो. सो आई व्हाट डिड आई डू? आई वॉज गुड टू दोज एनिमल्स जो वर्थ है, जो मुझे कुछ हार्म नहीं करेंगे. टाइगर और लेपर्ड के पास में जाता तो यू नो व्हाट वुड बी द कॉन्सिक्वेंस. सो आई डिड नॉट डू गुड, बट डिड आई डू बैड? डिड आई टेक अ गन एंड किल देम? मैंने बैड भी नहीं किया. आई जस्ट चेंज्ड माई वे. ना तुमसे लेना है ना देना है. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट यू बिकॉज दीज पीपल हर्ट यू. यू अंडरस्टैंड? देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल हु अंडरस्टैंड योर वर्थ. वहाँ पे एक स्टेप आगे जाओ. बिकॉज देयर इफ यू डोंट गो देन इट्स ईगो. But those who are not it worth it, don't go there. I'll give you best example. Life में याद रखना. It's called a popcorn example. We all visit the malls. मैं भी गया था अपने बेटे को लेके. Many a times we go. You know, once we went to a mall to see a movie. We saw the movie. In the interval, every child asked for a popcorn. And we were like, I and my wife, नहीं popcorn नहीं. It's not, मतलब 180 का popcorn नहीं. And he was sad. But they agreed. Okay, we'll have dinner after the movie के बाद dinner करते. उसको popcorn मैंने दिया नहीं. बिकॉज मुझे लगता नहीं दैट पॉपकॉर्न 10-15 रुपये का आता है, उसके लिए 180-200 रुपीज़ स्पेंड करने चाहिए. सो माई सन अग्रीड. ही सेड ठीक है डैडी, कॉस्टली है. मुझे लगा ही मस्ट बी फीलिंग दैट हिज डैड इज़ अ माइजर, कंजूस है, पैसा नहीं खर्चा कर. आई केप्ट क्वाइट. वी वेंट फॉर अ गुड डिनर एंड अ वेरी गुड रेस्टोरेंट. अ क्वालिटी फूड, पिज़्ज़ा और सब कुछ मस्त फूड था. राइट. देन आफ्टर अ डिनर द बिल केम एंड बिल वॉज, आई रिमेंबर, अराउंड 1800. अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट डालो. 1800 से 2000 का बिल हुआ. एंड ही वॉज वंडरिंग एंड लुकिंग एट मी एंड ही आस्क्ड मी, माई सन आस्क्ड मी कि डैडी आपने वहाँ 180 रुपीज़ देने के लिए इतना नहीं किया एंड यहाँ पे यू जस्ट स्वाइप द कार्ड फॉर 2000. देन आई एक्सप्लेन्ड हिम, देयर यू आर माई सन, योर डैड इज़ नॉट अ माइजर और कंजूस. पॉपकॉर्न इज़ नॉट वर्थ 200 रुपीज़. 10 रुपये की चीज़ है, उसके लिए मैं 200 क्यों स्पेंड करूँ? वेयर वी आर ईटिंग इट्स द बेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट विद अ क्वालिटी फूड. सब कुछ है वहाँ पे, क्वालिटी फूड. इट इज़ वर्थ. ऑलवेज सी द प्राइस टैग विद द वर्थ. तो पॉपकॉर्न तो वर्थ नहीं है ना. Same example you can relate to your relations. In your office, in your personal life, there are so many popcorns. Such people in your life, they are popcorns. They are not worth it. खर्चा करने के worth नहीं है. They are not worth. And there are some people who are like that authentic quality dinner. They mean to you. And you also mean to them. That is important. देखो, respect is not like that love, unconditional. Respect should always be conditional. Remember this. Respect should always be conditional. You give me respect, I'll give you respect. If you don't give me, don't even think about it. Don't expect it from me. समझ गए? तो make a list of all the popcorns in your life. They are not worth. They are not worth your sorry. They are not worth your care. उन पे ज़्यादा ध्यान मत दो. इन लोगों पे ध्यान दो. There was one friend of mine. She's a good friend, my very close friend. She had a habit, in fact, of crying every now and then. उसने ऐसा बोला, उसने वैसा बोला. One fine day she came to me and she used to go to some dance class, and she had a batchmate. Maybe accidentally she might have offended her batchmate, and she said sorry to her once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. लेकिन वो जो है दूसरी जो batchmate थी, she's not bothering. She was enjoying. बोल sorry बोलते जा, and she is crying. यार उसको इतना बुरा लगा है, मुझे वो माफ़ भी नहीं कर रही. I said wait, listen to me. You have a very bad habit of trying to be good to everyone. Who is she? Who is she? Your batchmate? You know her from last 1.5 years? I asked her one question. Tell me one thing. Who are the closest person in your life? कौन है तुम्हारे सबसे close? She said my mom. Immediately she said my mom and my school friend. मैंने really? Can anyone replace them in your life? उनकी जगह कोई और ले सकता है? No, never. Why? They respect me. They love me. We understand each other's self-respect. Well, very good. But I said, accidentally, unintentionally, you have given that place to someone else. She asked me, when? That batchmate? You are feeling the same concern, the same guilt, which you would have felt for your mom or for your best school friend. उनके लिए, उनके प्रति जो तुम्हारा एक आदर है, रिस्पेक्ट है, गिल्ट होता है अगर इफ यू ऑफेंड देम, दैट सेम फीलिंग यू हैव अ बैचमेट जिसको तुम 1.5 साल से जानते हो. सो यू हैव मेड देम एट पार. शी रियलाइज योर मिस्टेक. हेलो, ऑल पीपल आर नॉट इक्वल. तुम्हारा ये कंसर्न है, यू फील सैड, दैट शुड बी फॉर ओनली दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु आर वर्थ इट. वो जो बैचमेट है पॉपकॉर्न है, शी इज अ पॉपकॉर्न. डोंट गिव. सॉरी बोल देना है, जाने दो. उसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, तुम भी ध्यान मत. दिस इज द वे you will be not only, क्या बोलते उसको, negligible. Not only negligible, I think it will be nil. Your self humiliation will nil. It will be nil. People will not disrespect you. ये अपने बिहेवियर में चेंज लाओ. There was once a snake in a village. एक स्टोरी है. He used to scare everyone with this, ऐसा करके scare करता था. And one day a wise man was walking. उसको भी उसने ऐसा किया. And he is like steadily standing. The snake asked him, "You're not moving a bit." Well, see, he said to the snake, "You think people respect you? They are scared of you. You're doing bad to them. Don't be such a bad snake. Be good." And see the miracle. See the changes. Oh, the snake agreed. The next day, the man was again walking on the same, route. And the snake was falling, he was fallen there, injured, wounded. The man asked him, "What happened?" He said, "This is all because of your advice. You said, na, be good to everyone. Today in the morning, I just went in the market and I was just looking at everybody without doing this way. I was just lying there and smiling at everybody. People came with bamboo sticks and they hit me here and there, black and blue. और मेरी हालत कर दी. I listened to your advice." He said, "Wait, I never said be good to everyone. I never said that. I said stop being bad. And secondly, you should be good only to those who are worth it." तुमको कोई मारने आ रहा था, how can you be good to them? That time you should have done this. So whenever required, you should say, "Don't mess with me." आप सबके साथ अच्छे रहने मत जाओ. So I hope I have made myself clear this point of self-respect. Self-respect is very important. Understand the popcorn example, right? Care for someone. You can feel guilty for someone who are really worth it, क्योंकि वो आपका सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट कभी खोने देंगे नहीं आपको, राइट? सबके लिए अच्छा बनने मत जाओ, अदरवाइज यू विल ऑलवेज बी हर्ट. ओके, ऑलवेज बी डिसरिस्पेक्टेड. ऐसा कभी मत करो. ओके, इट इज़ बेटर और टू लूज ऑफन such worthless people than to lose your self respect. I hope I have made myself clear. आपको समझ में आया मैंने जो दिया वो ज्ञान? आपको समझ में आया मैंने जो दिया वो ज्ञान? कभी मत खोना अपना आत्मसम्मान, तभी रहेगा आपका आन बान और शान. हैव अ नाइस डे.